Ever see a headline that just grabs your attention? Something like, "Study finds people who eat chocolate are happier." It jumps out at you, doesn't it? These kinds of headlines are designed to be irresistible. It's tempting to believe, right? We want to believe it. We crave those simple solutions and easy answers that seem too good to be true. These stories promise easy answers. They offer a quick fix, a shortcut to happiness or health. Eat chocolate, get happy. It sounds so straightforward, so appealing. But before you stock up on sweets, filling your cart with chocolate bars, ask yourself, how did researchers figure this out? What methods did they use? Science isn't just about finding connections. It's not enough to simply observe a relationship. It's about understanding why they exist. What are the underlying mechanisms at play? Many headlines come from studies that spot patterns, correlations, but not necessarily proof of causation. Our brains love cause and effect. We're wired to seek out those direct links. But real life is more complicated than a simple equation. There are countless factors at play. Let's dig into how these studies work. Let's explore the methods and the potential pitfalls, and why the truth isn't always as straightforward as it appears in the headline. It's time to become a more critical consumer of information. The studies behind these headlines are often cross-sectional studies. Imagine snapping a photo of a crowd, one moment, one scene. Researchers ask people, how happy are you? And how much chocolate do you eat, all at once? If chocolate eaters seem happier, that's an association. But a snapshot can't show what happened before or after. It's like trying to understand a movie from a single frame. Cross-sectional studies spot patterns, but can't prove what causes what. Let's talk about a fundamental concept, a guiding principle, a golden rule. Correlation does not equal causation. Just because two things happen together or seem to move in sync doesn't automatically mean one is causing the other. It's a common mistake, and it's crucial to understand this difference. Just because chocolate and happiness appear together doesn't automatically mean one causes the other. There could be a more complex relationship at play. Maybe happy people eat more chocolate. It could be their reward, or maybe they just tend to like it more. Not the other way around. Reverse causation. Perhaps eating chocolate is a result of being happy, not the cause. Or maybe a third factor, a lurking variable, like wealth, leads to both more chocolate and more happiness. They can afford more chocolate and have less to worry about. Headlines often miss these hidden variables, simplifying complex relationships for the sake of a quick story. It's a classic chicken or egg problem. Which came first? It's hard to tell without more information. Without context, we can easily draw the wrong conclusion. We might assume a cause and effect relationship where none exists. Don't let a catchy headline fool you. Always dig deeper and consider all the possibilities. To prove causation, scientists need three things: association, time order, and ruling out other explanations. Cross-sectional studies only show association. They can't tell if chocolate came before happiness or vice versa, and they rarely account for confounding factors like income or personality. Without all three, the claim collapses. Real science needs more than a single snapshot. It's about building a sturdy case, not just spotting a link. That's how we separate fact from fiction. In a world saturated with information, how do we sift through the noise to find genuine understanding? Want real answers? Scientists, in their quest for truth, often employ rigorous methods. One such method involves longitudinal studies, meticulously tracking people over extended periods of time, sometimes years, even decades, to see what changes first, helping to establish the sequence of events and potential causal relationships. Or, to gain even more control, they run randomized controlled trials, carefully splitting people into different groups and testing cause and effect directly by introducing a variable to one group and comparing the outcomes. These methods, while demanding, help prove what actually causes what, providing a much clearer picture than simple observation alone. So next time you see a bold headline grabbing your attention, take a moment to ask, was it just a fleeting snapshot, a mere correlation? Or was it the result of a real, controlled experiment? Science often starts with identifying patterns, but real discovery, the kind that truly advances our understanding, invariably takes more work, more scrutiny, and more rigorous testing. Don't settle for easy answers that confirm your biases. Look for the real story, the one supported by evidence and careful analysis. That's the truth behind the headlines, the difference between speculation and genuine insight.